Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making brownies. I'm going to make them from scratch. And then the cool part of this recipe is, guess what? Yep, it's another air fryer recipe. I am going to cook these brownies in an air fryer. I think this is going to be a cool recipe, and I cannot wait to see how these turn out because it takes so long to cook brownies in an oven that it would be really nice to cut the time in half cooking them in an air fryer. Let's get started. I am going to put half a cup of flour and 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder in my bowl. I think that was 6. I hope that was 6. Three-fourths cup of granulated sugar. About 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Maybe a smidge bit more. Mix all those dry ingredients together. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot my baking powder. Need 1/4 teaspoon of the baking powder. Don't want to forget that. Might keep them from turning out correctly. Alright. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, do a tablespoon of, I'm using canola oil. It calls for vegetable, but I don't have any. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'll mix all that together. I've got my 2 little pans greased. You could use silicone pans or whatever I guess you would want to use. I'm just using these little throwaway aluminums because they work just fine. I'm going to divide this batter in half between the 2 little pans. And then I'm going to preheat my air fryer at 330 degrees for about 5 minutes before I shove these in. Then they are going to cook for, it says 15 minutes. I will have to keep an eye on them. 15 minutes or so at that 330 degrees. Once they're done, I will plate them up and show you what they look like. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!